some straight talks about earning extra income. The thing is, everybody wants that. Let's say you have a daily job, you wake up in the morning, you go to work, you come up late night, and then you have some free times. Maybe you can go to the gym, or maybe you can spend times with your family. Late night, you have some free times, you want to make some extra income. So you're thinking, okay, let's look online and let's see what we can do in order to get some extra income, to get some extra cash. Yes, you can do that. There's nothing wrong with that. But the problem is, online you see a lot of options. You see a lot of people saying, hey, when you do this, you make extra income. Hey, when you do that, you make extra income. Yes, it's possible. But the problem is, most people do not tell you how. They just tell you what you can do, but they don't tell you how you should do it. Think about it for a second. Now, do you know it? Let's say if you want to become an English teacher and you want to start out, you'll be like, okay, I am from a native country, let's say Canada, US, Australia, UK, doesn't matter. You're from the country, you'll be like, okay, you know what? I can teach online. I will figure out, okay, what do I need to teach? And that's it. The problem is, sometimes you do know what to do in order to get the extra income, but nobody tells you how can you get customer. So let's say you are working during the day, and at night you'll be like, okay, you know what? I will be an English teacher, or I will do something that can earn me extra income. It can be anything. And the thing is, when you start doing that, you need to get customers. If you are not getting customers, you have a skill, but you're not getting paid for it. You understand what I mean? And most time at the beginning, it's really hard. And because it's really hard, people don't understand, if I don't get customer, I cannot keep doing what I'm doing right now. I'm wasting my time. So if you're smart, if you're doing something in order to get some extra income, make sure you get customers. Yes, I'm saying like it's really easy. It's not. Seriously, it's not. But it all starts with your network. Just start with the first people that you do know. Also, go to the places like Fiverr or other places. Go to those places, create a profile, and just start. It doesn't matter if there are a lot of people. Yes, there are a lot of people, but at the end of the day, not everybody can do a lot of work. So keep in mind that when you're starting out, it's going to be difficult, but put your mindset on not developing only your skills, but also on getting customers. If you're not getting customers, you're not doing anything. So your company is not rolling. So this is some straight talk about earning some extra income. And if you're really smart about it, yes, do it in your part-time and start getting some customers. Most people don't tell you how. You need to figure out for yourself, but you can just start. Even if your first customer pay you less, you already have one. Go to the next one. Yeah. Don't spend too much time on pleasing the customer, because next time they will come back for the same price and it doesn't earn you extra income. Make sure you understand the value of the services or product that you are offering. If you do not know how much the value is, just put the price as high as possible, because it's easy to go down, but it's hard to go up with your price. So keep that in mind. These are some tips for you. If you have a question, let me know. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Seriously, subscribe. It will help me out. And if you have a question, just go in the Discord in the last sent, and there you can ask me a question. See you in the next video. Bye.